Moving on to the next social media platform is YouTube. This is the most used platform these days because video content is become very popular. We will understand now how YouTube can be useful for businesses. As mentioned, visual content is proving to be very popular and effective with the audience. YouTube as a platform continues to dominate among the most visual-centric social media platforms. Reports prove that around 85% of online users regularly use YouTube, which gives this platform ample opportunities for brands and businesses to get their brand videos on the minds of the audience. The benefits that any business could get by marketing themselves on YouTube are: it optimizes your videos for search and clicks. If you're running any SEO-led activities or search-led activities for your business, YouTube videos will prove to be one of the most effective ones to connect with the audience. Videos as a medium helps to share your business thoughts and ideology, and hence can help you connect with your audience better. Through YouTube, your visual content gets an extended reach, and it gets to reach to a very large number of audience which is maybe not present on any other platforms. It also helps you repurpose the content which is already created for other content forms or other content platforms.